Hello, welcome to our makeshift kitchen right here at NCA&T, where cooking is made easy. Try this twist on salsa made with watermelon to quench and satisfy you during these hot summer days. Here we have your basic ingredients, which include watermelon, limes, cilantro, and jalapenos. And if you don't like cilantro like myself, you can use mint as a substitution. Carefully cut the watermelon into parts. Slice the watermelon into small cubes. You can make this salsa yourself, or you can also do this with your friends. If you don't want your salsa too spicy, cut out the white fleshy part inside of the jalapeno. Have your friends chop the onions and the cilantro while you chop up the jalapeno. Now, let's put all the ingredients into the same bowl. Put in 2 cups of watermelon, 1, 2, the cilantro, the onion, and finally, the jalapeno. Take the lime and add a little lime zest into the bowl. Add juice from 2 freshly squeezed limes. Add salt and toss all the ingredients together. Okay, it's ready, you guys. You can try some.
Yay!
Sure. Waiting on this all day. Pretty good.
Yeah, I know, right?
I dig it.